Hey everyone, today we're going to be combining two popular items, Orbeez and slime. Now this slime is extra special because when you first make it, the Orbeez are really small, so you kind of have this like confetti looking slime, but then in about an hour or so the beads start to grow and then you have this whole other fun slime to play with. To make this slime, you're going to need some clear glue. I like the Elmers brand. You're going to use the entire bottle of glue, pour it into a mixing bowl, and then you're also going to add a half a cup of water. Next, we are going to add the Orbeez. Now, if you're not familiar with Orbeez, they do expand in water, and this is something I did not account for when I made my slime, so you're going to want to put in about a quarter of the amount I did. What happened with my slime was as the Orbeez grew, they just kind of took over the slime. They became too big and just started falling out. In a separate bowl, add half a cup of hot water and a quarter teaspoon of borax, and then mix it until it's fully dissolved. Now dump your borax solution into the bowl and then begin to stir and watch the magic happen. This is where it becomes slime and starts to pull together. It is so cool to watch. And that is it. That is how you make Orbeez slime. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you're watching from YouTube, I would love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye!